Hi, I'm Krishna from Transfunnel. And if you're using HubSpot but feel like that you're not getting the most out of it, then HubSpot's Breeze AI and its suite of intelligent agents is exactly what you need. Breeze AI offers 4 specialized agents designed to enhance various aspects of your business. Hi, so I was telling you about content agents. Content agents are responsible for automating your content writing in terms of crafting customized emails, setting up meetings, and automating everything that falls under the umbrella of content writing. That's the magic of content agents that HubSpot has recently, introduced. Then we have service agents. So service agent, they answer customer queries instantly, just like a smart assistant, and it helps your team to save time and invest that time in the places where it matters the most. Then we have sales agents. The reason I have so much time to record this video is because of them. While I'm recording this video, they are finding the right leads and outreaching to them on an autopilot mode, saving me a lot of time and only making me focus on closing the deals, and perhaps recording this video. Then we have social agents. They plan, write, and post content automatically on your social media handles so that your brand never loses engagement. In fact, I have picked a couple of ideas for this reel through social agents. But to get the most out of HubSpot and Breeze AI, you need the right strategy. That's where we come. Transfunnel, we help you set up and optimize HubSpot and Breeze AI so that it runs perfectly with your business. Whether you are looking to automate sales, content management, or customer service, we make sure that everything runs smoothly. Ready to take your HubSpot experience to next level? Let's talk. DM us today to get a free consultation.